Before we jump into the filing process, let's understand the basics. An ISF, or Importer Security Filing, is a mandatory requirement imposed by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) for most shipments entering the United States. It helps enhance security and facilitates smooth customs clearance. Now, let's move on to the filing process itself. Step 1. Gather the required information. We'll walk you through the essential details you need to provide, including the bill of lading number, shipper and consignee details, and more. Step 2. Choose a filing method. We will explain the different options available, such as self-filing or hiring a licensed customs broker, along with their pros and cons. Step 3. Access the proper filing platform. We'll show you how to access the Automated Commercial Environment (ACE) portal and guide you through the process of creating an account. Step 4. Complete the ISF form. We will go through each section of the form, explaining the required information and providing tips to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Submit and review your ISF. We'll guide you through the submission process and discuss how to review your filing to avoid common errors. To help you file your ISF accurately and efficiently, we have gathered some valuable tips and best practices from seasoned importers. These insights can save you time and prevent costly mistakes. Congratulations! You have now completed the comprehensive guide on filing an importer security filing. By following these steps and applying the tips we've provided, you are well prepared to fulfill the ISF requirements with confidence. Remember, proper filing is crucial for a seamless import process. Thank you for watching.